The simplest of the discrete distributions is the Bernoulli distribution. Let us begin with it. The Bernoulli distribution requires only one parameter, P, the probability of success of an event. This is a simple distribution because it generates only two possible outcomes, a 0 or a 1. That is, it is a binary distribution. This distribution is typically used in scenarios where events can either occur or not occur. That is, they are binary. Therefore, its applicability is limited. Some typical cases include, for example, the granting of a permit or a patent. It is either granted or not. Or a discovery of a subsurface geological formation. It is either discovered or not. When conducting risk matrix analysis, risks are often categorized using qualitative or subjective categories such as unlikely, highly likely, etc. From my perspective, this categorization is inadequate because it naively assumes that the risk either occurs or does not occur. In reality, very few risks are strictly binary. So, as mentioned earlier, binary events are specific cases such as permits, patents, concessions, or discoveries in projects. Most risks are not binary. For example, with a Bernoulli distribution where P equals 0.5, that is, there's a 50% probability that the event will not occur, 0, and a 50% probability that the event will occur, 1. These are the only two possible outcomes. If we change the parameter to P equals 0.2, the probability that the event will not occur rises to 80%, 0, while the probability of occurrence decreases to 20%, a 1. This parameter P can take any value between 0 and 1. Alternatively, if we have an event with a probability of success of P equals 0.95, then the event will not occur in 5% of the cases, 0, but it will occur in 95% of the cases, 1. In summary, the Bernoulli distribution, the simplest of the discrete distributions, generates only zeros and ones. Its simplicity makes it ideal for modeling binary events, although its applicability to more complex risks is very limited.